Sri Gurupiya Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaiva. See, this is 10th standard state board, chapter 7, exercise 7.2, fourth sum. A conical container is fully filled with petrol. You can imagine the conical container. See, it is like this. This is the height of the cone and this is the radius of the cone. It's fully, the radius is 10 meter. The radius is 10 meter and the height is 15 meter. It is nothing but a vertical height, it is not a slant height. Vertical height is 15 meter. If the container can release the petrol through its bottom at a rate of 25 centimeter per minute, in how many minutes the container will be empty? You can round off in your answer in nearest minutes. See, you can take it as this cone as a volume because the cone is filled with petrol. You can imagine the conical flask is filled with petrol. That radius is 10 meter and the vertical height is 15 meter. So radius of conical container. Radius of conical container equal to 10 meter. Height of conical container equal to 50 meter. Now you should find out the volume of the cone. What is the formula of volume of the cone? Volume of a cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. So it gives volume equal to 1 by 3 into pi is nothing but what? 22 by 7 into 10 into height. Height is nothing but 15. So 3 ones are 3 5s are 3 ones are 3 5s are. So 22 into 5 110. So it gives 11,000 by 7 meter cube. 11,000 by 7 meter cube. See, the petrol is released. What is the volume of the cone? Volume equal to 11,000 by 7 meter cube. See, the petrol is released. Petrol is released at the rate of 25 meter cube per minute. Petrol is released. Petrol is released at the rate of 25 meter cube per minute. At the rate of 25 meter cube per minute. 25 meter cube per minute at the rate of 25 meter cube per minute. So what is the time required? Time required to empty the container. Time required to empty the container, conical container. Time required to empty the conical container. Volume. What is the volume here? 11,000 by 7 by 25 meter cube. 25 by 1. 25 by 1. See here. 11,000 by 7 by 25 by 1. You can reciprocal the value. 11,000 by 7 into 1 by 25. 1 by 25. So you can cancel 25 ones are 25 ones are 440. 25 ones are 25, 440. What is the remaining thing? 440 by 7. 440 by 7. So you check the answer. It is nothing but what? 62.85. You can round off the answer. So it gives approximately 63 minutes. Approximately 63 minutes time required to empty the container. Time required to empty the container is approximately 63 minutes. See the fifth sum. A right angle triangle whose sides are 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. Then 6 cm, 8 cm, 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm, or you will write this is 8 cm and this is 6 cm. You can take it in two ways. Okay, one way is this is 6 cm and this is 8 cm. The another way is like this. See here. Right angle triangle, this is 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. Is revolved about the sides containing the right angle. When the right angle is revolved about one of the sides, it's 90 degree. This cone is formed. See, yeah, revolved. When right angle triangle is revolved, one of its sides, that is in this side, right angle triangle, it will revolve like this. It will revolve like this about one of its sides containing right angle. One angle should be in right angle. That side is revolved about one of its sides containing right angle. A cone is formed. So you can take it as either the cone like this. See here, it is in such a way like this, or it is like this. Okay. See here. See. When the radius, you can take it as 6 cm. A cone is formed like this. 6 cm. And this one is slant height is 10 cm and vertical height is 8 cm. You can take it as radius of cone. Radius of cone equal to 6 cm. Radius of cone equal to 6 cm and height of, that is nothing but a vertical height. Vertical height of the cone. Vertical height of the cone equal to 8 cm and slant height, it's nothing but a hypotenuse. Slant height of the cone. Slant height of cone equal to 10 cm. Should find out the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. It gives 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into what is the radius here? 6. 6 square into height is nothing but what? 8, because you can take it as a vertical height. 8. So what is the value we have to find out? See, volume equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 36. 6 square is nothing but what? 36 into 8. 36 into 8. So 3 ones are. See here, 3 ones are, 3 12s are. So it gives 22 into 96. 22 into 96 by 7. You check the value. You can do it everything in the rougher column and check the value. 301.71 centimeter cube. When the radius, you can take it as a 6 centimeter. See that volume 1, volume of your first cone, radius equal to volume of your first cone, radius equal to 6 centimeter. Radius equal to 6 centimeter equal to, what is the value we are getting? 301. See, 301.71 centimeter cube. 301.71 centimeter cube. Now you can take it as a right angle, rotate about the side which is 8 centimeter length. Right angle triangle, right angle triangle rotates, right angle triangle rotates, right angle triangle rotates about the side, which is 8 centimeter length, which is 8 centimeter in length, So you can take it as radius equal to 8 centimeter and height equal to 6 centimeter. Radius equal to 8 centimeter and height equal to, because right angle rotate the side as 8 centimeter, that side you can take it as a radius equal to 8 centimeter and height equal to 6 centimeter. So volume of a cone, radius equal to 8 centimeter. What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. So it gives 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? Radius is nothing but 8 square. 8 square into h is 6. H height equal to 6. See here, volume equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 64 into 6. So when we can do the multiplication, you can get the value 2816 by 7. Do the division in the refer column, get the answer 402.29 centimeter cube. 402 centimeter cube. See, now you find out the difference in volumes. Difference in volumes equal to 402.29 minus subtract 301.71. So it gives, see, 402.29 minus 301.71. We subtract, what is the answer? See, 100.58 centimeter cube. Difference in volumes is 100.58 centimeter cube. See the sixth sum. The volumes of two cones of same base radius are, the volume is given in the question 3600 centimeter cube and 5040 centimeter cube. You should find out the ratio in heights. So let us take it as R1, R2 be the radius. R1, R2 be the radius of two cones. Radius of two cones. R1 and R2 be the radius of two cones. It is given in the form, see here, radius or same base radius. Two cones of same base radius. What is given here? Given R1 equal to R2. It is given as R1 equal to R2. You can take it as H1 and H2 are the heights of the cone. H1 and H2 are heights of two cones. So you can take it as V1 be the volume of first cone. Take it as the V1 be the volume of first cone. V1 equal to volume of V1 equal to volume of first cone. Volume of first cone. What is the formula for volume of first cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. V1 equal to 1 by 3 pi r1 square h1. But the value is given in the question itself. The volume is 3600. So 1 by 3 pi r1 square h1 equal to 3600 centimeter cube. Next you can take it as V2. V2 equal to volume of second cone. V2 equal to volume of second cone. V2 equal to volume of second cone. So V2 equal to 1 by 3 pi R2 square. R2 square H2. R2 square H2 equal to 5040. R2 square H2 equal to 5040 centimeter cube. Now you should find out the ratio of the heights. See, you can take the ratio of volumes. V1 by V2 equal to, V1 is 3600 centimeter cube by 5040 centimeter cube. What is V1? V1 is nothing but what? 1 by 3 pi R1 square H1 by 1 by 3 V2. V2, but it is given as R1 equal to R2. Given R1 equal to R2. So you can replace R1 square H2. R1 square R2 you can replaced by R2 you can replaced by what? R1 square, because it is given in the question same base radius. So R1 equal to R2. What is the value? 3600 by 5040. Cancel the value 1 by 3 pi R1 square. Then here 0 get cancelled, that you can cancel by 9 table. 40 here can cancel by 9 table. 56. Then 8 5s are 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. See here, H1 by H2 equal to 5 by 7. It's nothing but what? H1 is to H2. Ratio they are asking. 5 is to 7. Ratio in heights. Ratio in heights equal to. Ratio in heights equal to 5 is to 7. 5 is to 7. See the seventh sum. If the ratio of radii of two spheres is given in the ratio 4:7, find the ratio of their volumes. Let R1 and R2. Let R1 be R1 comma R2 be the. Let R1 comma R2 be the radii of, plural form, radii of two spheres. Of two spheres. The ratio is given in the form of 4:7. R1 is to R2 equal to 4:7. You can write it in a fraction. R1 by R2 equal to 4/7. R1 by R2 equal to 4/7. From that you can take it as R1 equal to 4/7 R2. R1 equal to 4/7 R2. See, ratio of volumes in spheres. Volumes in spheres equal to, you can take it as V1 by V2. What is the volume of the sphere? 4/3 pi r cube. So V1 by V2 equal to 4/3 pi r1 cube by 4/3 pi r2 cube. 4/3 pi r2 cube. But R1 you replace the value by 4/7 R2, because two variables are there. You can make it as a single variable. See, 4/3 pi, what is the R1 value? 4/7 R2. 4/7 R2 the whole cube. 4/7 R2 the whole cube by 4/3 pi R2 cube. 4/3 pi R2 cube. See here, V1 by V2 equal to 4 by 3 pi into 64 by 343. 4 cube is 64 by 343 R2 cube. R2 cube by 4 by 3 pi into R2 cube. R2 cube pi 4 by 3 get cancelled. V1 by V2 equal to 64 by 343. V1 is to V2 equal to 64 is to 343. That is ratio of volumes. Ratio of volumes. Ratio of volumes equal to 64 is to 343. Ratio of volumes in sphere equal to 64 is to 343. I hope you understood, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.